Why pay for soggy takeout when you can have this? Juicy beef, crispy lettuce, and every grain of rice hitting that umami sweet spot. Hit that subscribe button to save your wallet and your taste buds. Let's get into it. First, take your green onions and give them a clean divorce. Separate the whites from the greens and chop them both up. We are treating them like exes. They will meet again later, but for now, they need space. Next, grab your lettuce and chop it into roughly 1-inch strips. We want big, crunchy pieces, not green confetti. Now, the star of the show, ground beef. Just sitting there waiting for its destiny. Rice time. Overnight is best, but if you are using fresh, just spread it on a plate with some oil, fluff it up like 80s hair. Let it cool and move on. Crack 1 egg into a bowl and whisk it like it owes you money. Alright, let's heat the stove. Heat some oil over medium heat, or just throw the beef in dry. It got enough fat to start its own skincare line. Break it up and stir fry until it changes color. Season with black pepper, paprika powder if you have it, and a pinch of salt to kill the gaminess. Once it's 80% cooked, push the meat aside and drop in the egg. Wait, I missed something. The green onion white. Toss them in now. Scramble the egg until it's halfway to heaven. Then mix it all together. Crisis managed. Main event time. Clear a spot. Drop the rice in the center. Break up the clumps like you are breaking up a fight. Then mix it back in with the beefy crew. Keep it moving. Continue to stir fry until the rice is finally flying solo. Check out that grain separation. No mushy rice on my watch. Every grain is dancing and beautifully coated in that beefy goodness. Fluffy, dry, and absolutely perfect. Now, let's bring the flavor. Add beef stock powder or oyster sauce, whichever one you are vibing with today. Then, a splash of soy sauce and some rice wine for that expensive restaurant smell. Crank the heat up to high and toss it like you mean it. We want every grain jumping. Toss it until the rice is literally dancing in the pan. Give it a taste. If it's too quiet, add more salt or soy sauce. Let's bring it home. Finally, toss in the lettuce and the green parts of the green onion. If you've got those big 1-inch strips like mine, continue to stir until everything is perfectly mixed together. But if your lettuce is finely shredded or you don't have much of it, just kill the heat now. Use the residual warmth to wilt it for 10 seconds so it stays perfectly crunchy. We want it just slightly softened but still fresh, like a crisp new pair of sneakers. And we are done. Plate it up. Garnish with some extra black pepper and those leftover green onions. Just look at it. High protein, maximum crunch, zero regret. If you survived my forgotten onion crisis with me, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life cooking. Check out my other 15-minute meals right here. Thanks for watching. Now I'm heading back to my couch. See you next week. Bye!